Hi, Quadratic Equations, Class 10th, Part 3. Here we are learning the formula method in quadratic equations. Get ready. Good morning, friends. Today we are discussing about formula method in quadratic equations. Okay? So the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 for all a not equal to 0. So how to find out the roots of the quadratic equation? By using a method. So it is more or less little equal to completing square method. Like here you should see that always x coefficient is 1. Okay, you should make the x square coefficient is 1. Okay, make it monic quadratic equation. Monic quadratic equation. So divide with a on both sides. So ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a is equal to 0 by a. A get cancelled, x square plus x into b by a, if I write c by a is equal to 0. Now I am converting this equation x square plus ax plus b by a plus c by a into a plus b whole square formula. I am converting into a plus b whole square formula. That is a square. Next term I want, right, 2ab. A means compulsory x, where b is equal to, I should write b by a. I should write b by a. So b by a, but extra 2 I wrote, so into 2a. Then 2 get cancelled, so that is nothing but bx by a. A square plus 2ab, if b square term is there, then a square plus 2ab plus b square will become a plus b whole square. But unfortunately we don't have this, so b by 2a whole square, I am adding and subtracting, plus c by a is common. Okay, plus c by a is common. So what happened here? The first 3 terms, okay, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. That means this is x plus b by 2a whole square. Now I am transferring this one to the other hand side, is equal to b square by 4a square plus c by a, go to that side, minus c by a. Now here 2 fractions are there. I will take LCM. Then x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, LCM is 4a square. 4a square one time cancelled, b square, where a and a cancel, 4a is left, 4ac. Now square come to the other hand side, okay, whole square I am transferring, then it will become square root. So x plus b by 2a is equal to root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Now x plus b by 2a is equal to, numerator we don't know that, b square minus 4ac as it is, denominator 4, that is nothing but plus or minus, okay, plus or minus 4a square, that is a square root I converted, this is as a, 4 is 2, plus or minus 2a. Now plus ba, go to that side, minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now I can write as a single form, 2a is LCM, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is the formula to find out the value of x is nothing but zeros or roots of the quadratic equation, where a should not be equal to 0. That's why in the beginning only I told you that if a is equal to 0, this is not a quadratic equation. That's why the a is also present in the denominator. Denominator should not be 0. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus. Why I am taking plus or minus? Because we are solving quadratic equation. We will get at most 2 zeros. So if you take plus, you will get 1 0. If you take minus, you will get another 0. Now we will discuss some examples with this. Okay. Now we are doing one example. See, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now you need to write the quotients. What are a, b, c? A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7. With respective symbols you should write. A is equal to, b is equal to, c is equal to. Now quadratic formula is said x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b. B value is minus 7. So minus of minus 7. Root of b square minus 7 whole square 4ac. A and c by 2a. So 2 into minus into minus plus root of 7 square 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 by 2 2s are 4. Okay, now x is equal to 7 plus or minus root of 25 by 4. So 7 plus or minus 25 root is 5 by 4. So x values are 7 plus 5 by 4 or 7 minus 5 by 4. That is the meaning of plus or minus. So that is 7 plus 5, 12 by 4 or 7 minus 5, 2 by 4. So that equal to 3 or 1 by 2. So x values are 3 or 1 by 2. So directly we can do this procedure, that is nothing but x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. It's the formula is known as quadratic equations. Okay, by solving quadratic equations by formula method. Okay, the same question I'll explain in factorization method. You see, you will get the same answer. The same question I am taking, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 3s are 6. 1 6 are 6. Okay, here minus 7 is there. Minus 1 minus 6. So 2x square minus 1x minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Where x common, 2x minus 1. Where minus 3 common, 2x minus 1. Then 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Where 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Where x is equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal to 3. Okay, so in both the methods, here we got same 1 by 2 and 3. Okay, in quadratic equations method also, we got the x value is 3 or 1 by 2. And whereas here, you got x is equal to 1 by 2 or 3. But why? You should learn the quadratic formula method. Okay, so definitely I will tell you here, that is, some equations does not support this factorization method. That means here the roots are natural numbers maybe or rational numbers maybe. So rational roots, okay, rational roots, rational numbers, that means the decimals or fractions or roots, square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, everything will come by using factorization method. Whereas irrational roots we cannot get by using factorization method. How? See here. One equation I am giving now, x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. X square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. If you factorize this 1 minus 1 factors, you will get 1 and 1 only. But if you add or subtract, you won't get a 1. So, how to solve this type of equations by using factorization method? No. You should go with either completing square method or the best method is formula method. Okay. Then I am writing here the coefficients. A is equal to x square coefficient is 1. B is equal to minus 1. Where C is equal to minus 1. Come on. Now, x is equal to, if I apply the formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, then x is equal to minus b value is minus 1 plus or minus b square minus 1 whole square 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus 1 plus 4 by 2a. So x is equal to, okay, 1 plus or minus 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 into a, the value is 1 only. 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. That means x values are 1 plus root 5 by 2 or 1 minus root 5 by 2. Where root 5 is a irrational number. So what type of roots it is? Irrational roots. Suppose you imagine that here minus 4 came. 1 minus 4, not plus 4, 1 minus 4 you got it. Then what you will write? Root of minus 3. Root of minus 3 is an imaginary number. Okay? Is an imaginary number. Then 1 plus root of minus 3 by 2 is a imaginary roots. So, where imaginary roots we cannot get by using the factorization method. That's why this formula method will be useful to solve any quadratic equation, and we can get the roots either in the form of real roots, that means either rational roots or irrational roots or imaginary roots also. We will get with this formula, quadratic formula, that is nothing but where x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay.